What causes the keyboard typing from right to left issue?
Hello everyone. Today we're delving into a puzzling issue that's often encountered but rarely understood, the curious case of the keyboard typing from right to left. It might seem like your keyboard has a mind of its own, but don't worry, there's usually a logical explanation behind this.
Is it a software issue?
The first potential culprit behind the keyboard typing from right to left could be a software glitch. Specifically, the language settings on your computer could be causing the problem. If your system is set to a right-to-left language, like Arabic or Hebrew, it will reverse the typing direction. Sometimes, these settings may change inadvertently, possibly due to a system update, the installation of a new software, or even by accidentally pressing a keyboard shortcut.
Could it be a keyboard problem?
Another possible cause of the issue might be related to your physical keyboard. Particular keyboards have a right-to-left feature designed for languages that require such a typing direction. If this feature has been activated accidentally, your typing will start appearing from the right side of the screen.
Is it an application-specific issue?
Last but not least, the problem could be localized to a specific application. Some software, like word processors or coding environments, have options for right-to-left typing to cater to various language requirements. If these settings have been switched unknowingly, you might face this issue. In conclusion, the keyboard typing from right to left issue can be caused by different factors, including language settings, keyboard features, or application-specific settings. Hopefully, this breakdown has helped you understand why this might happen and how to troubleshoot it. Remember, when in doubt, check your settings first. Enjoy your typing adventures.